Hello, my name is Ardita Tinda Isnaini. I made this video to fulfill my final semester assignment in Applied English. Okay, in this video, I will discuss the 7 wonders of the world. Before we get into the discussion, I will explain the emergence of the 7 wonders of the world. Antipater Sidon. Antipater Sidon was the first to make a list of the 7 wonders of the world. Around 113 BC, he had made the structure of the list in a note. This is a note made by Antipater Sidon. In that note, he lists everything he had ever seen during his travel. And the 7 wonders of the world referred to in Antipater note were 1. The Hanging Garden of Babylon, 2. The statue of Zeus at Olympia, 3. Egyptian pyramids, 4. Halicarnassus Mausoleum, 5. Temple of Artemis at Zeus Greece, 6. Colossus of Rhodes, and 7. Pharos of Alexandria. After that, the note finally became famous and aroused the curiosity of the world population. Starting from there, finally emerged the culture to determine the 7 wonders of the world that are still being carried out. From Compass.com source and report by the New York Times, here is a list of the 7 wonders of the world, which are the most popular choice for people around the world. Great Wall of China. This wall, built in 220 BC to 1644, it was originally built in the spring and autumn age and the age of Bering Strait to withstand the attacks of enemy and trade for northern China. This wall was extended during the reign of the Qin dynasty and then renovated during the reign of the dynasty Han and continued contraction during the reign of the Ming dynasty. The length of this wall is 8,052 km, judging for history. The original purpose of this building was for the protection of China's citizens. But now, the Great Wall of China has become a Chinese tourist icon that has managed to amaze many world travelers. Even UNESCO ranks the Great Wall of China as an outstanding example of military architecture, a charming blend of technology and art. Machu Picchu, Peru. Machu Picchu, which is in the mystic Andes Mountains, is a place that has just become part of the 7 wonders of the world, but is the most remote of difficult to reach place that the 7 other wonders of the world. There are about 200 buildings that became religious and are the exciting buildings at Machu Picchu are thought to have been built in 15th to 16th centuries. The architecture of the building is made of natural material. The walls and terraces are formed from rock fragments and can amaze anyone who comes there. Even though the route access is difficult, it will pay off with a stunning view. Petra, Jordania. Petra, Jordania was built in the 4th century BC by Nabatean Kingdom. Petra rose to prominence when appearing in the 189 Indiana Jones film and The Last Crusade. Petra was built by Nabatean people who lived in the Wadi Musa Valley for more than 400 years. It became a strategic location for the Silk and Spice trade route until the city fell to the Roman Empire in 106, and Petra's built in stunning with a mixed Eastern and Hellenistic style. Half the building is made Taj Mahal, India. Taj Mahal, India, it was built in 1632 by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. The Taj Mahal is a beautiful building and is actually a tomb that the Mughal Emperor built for his wife Mumtaz Mahal. In Persian language, Taj Mahal means crown of palace. This building is one of the famous architectural achievements of the Mughal Emperor. He commanded a large part of India's society from 1526 to 1761. It took about 20,000 workers and 16 years to build. The building is very beautiful, a charming Islamic blend with white marble, emphasized symmetry and balance. Colosseum, Italy. Colosseum, Italy, it was built in 18 by Flavians during the first century of the Roman Empire. The Colosseum is an amphitheater with an arcade and a half column. Example of architectural innovation of the Roman Empire during its day, the Colosseum was used for gladiator show and hunting. In addition, for 4 centuries was used to execute prisoners or pupil convicts. This ancient stadium can accommodate about 50,000 people. The building technique and architecture are amazing for the size of a building erected in the first century. Earthquake damaged a meaning of Colosseum material left the building with only a third of the original structure remaining. Cristo Redentor statue in Brazil. Cristo Redentor statue in Brazil. It was built in 1000. Cristo Redentor statue in Brazil was built with a height of 125 feet or about 38 meters. The statue is made of reinforced concrete weight 1,155 tons or the equivalent of 211. The statue is considered to the largest Art Deco sculpture in the world. What makes it in the list of 7 wonders of the world is its location. Chichen Itza, Mexico. Chichen Itza, Mexico is an ancient Maya civilization complex that was found in 600 AD. Archaeologists predict that the complex was once an economic and cultural center. The ruins of the historical site began to be rediscovered in 1841 and became a famous tourist destination several years after being discovered. The most famous building of Chichen Itza is the Pyramid of El Castillo. It is suspected that this pyramid became a place of worship for the ancient Maya. The shape of the El Castillo building is unique with a pyramid-like mountain but a flat. There is also a veranda that was used for worship.